everyone, so today's video is going to be a first impressions of HelloFresh. Today is my first order. To my surprise, when I got home from school pickup, my box was on my front porch, so I was super excited. So we're going to go ahead and dive in and see what I got. I honestly don't remember. I ordered it last Thursday or Friday, and it's here. It's Tuesday, so let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got. I do know that I ordered a family meal plan, and I think I got 3 meals, maybe 4. I think it's only 3, but I don't exactly remember what all I ordered. Okay, a little something extra for you. So we have a thing for Grove. I've already done a purchase with Grove, and I love Grove, so I'm signed up for them, but this is pretty awesome. It's talking about a little free promotion. And then here, try your first Graze box. So I'm guessing maybe Graze is like snack type food. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check this out and see what this is, but that's kind of exciting. It comes with a code, so we're gonna check that out. Then we've got, oh, my kids are super excited. I can tell you right now about this. Free little sample of gummy bears, and looks like a little coupon for gummies. So that's a nice little thing. And then let's see. These are to give out to friends, little codes for HelloFresh. And then these appear to be, yep, these are the recipe cards. So this is what I ordered. So crispy Southwestern chicken cutlets. This comes with Monterey Jack cheese, mashed potatoes, and roasted poblanos and onions. So very excited for this meal. And then the back gives nice little instructions. Also got the meatloaf balsamico. This one's with sweet potato mash and green beans. My family doesn't particularly like sweet potatoes, so I can easily substitute that with regular potatoes, so it's not going to be that big of a deal. But excited to try this one out. And then I got this one. This one's very exciting to me. This was titled one of their Hall of Fame recipes. It's pork and poblano tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? It is Tuesday, so Taco Tuesday, but it's not happening today because we're going out to dinner for a birthday. But maybe this might become a rotation meal. All right, so they put it in this nice refrigerated, that's what this stuff is for. And then it appears that each meal is actually packaged in their own bag. I think for purposes, I'll open these to show you everyone, but I'm going to put them back in their bags just so that I don't become idiotic, which is quite often happens in my home, and mix the things up and then get everything lost. So here's the pork. First one was the meatloaf, and then the next bag is the chicken. There's more stuff in here. I have a dog that's very excited back here, that's wanting to smell everything. This is just a little divider, piece of cardboard. And here are meat. So this is the chicken cutlets. And then, hey, go. And I have, ooh, this is for the tacos. This is the ground pork. This is some ground beef. And this is pretty good beef. It's 85% lean, 15% fat, so that's good beef. More ground pork. I think there might be, yep, there's one more beef in here. And then the rest of this box was heavy, by the way, are these big, heavy ice packs. So I'm just gonna set those aside and get this box out of the way here. I'm just gonna leave these in here, to be honest. It doesn't make sense to pull them out. I'm gonna set that down on the ground, and then we will go ahead and get back to opening this up. So this one's the meatloaf. And this comes with your portioned out green beans. So we have that, which goes with my beef that I have here. And then we have some spices, Italian parsley. I love parsley. It has, because who can't make meatloaf without ketchup? It's so cute that it's portioned out packets of ketchup. Some more green beans. We love fresh green beans in this house. Here's the breadcrumbs. These are panko breadcrumbs. It's got my small onion to chop up. It has cloves of garlic. And then the sweet potatoes to make the sweet potato mash. Like I said, we're probably not gonna use these. We don't really care for sweet potatoes. I know, it's a sin, I'm sorry. A small little portion of balsamic vinegar, so cute. Then we have some honey, little packets of honey, probably to make it sweet. And sliced almonds. So these are all the ingredients for that specific meal. Very exciting. I'll just lay them out. Okay, so now we're gonna dive into our pork and poblano tacos. We have the ground pork packets here, and then inside of our bag, we have pre-portioned cilantro. These are super cute. They have little portion sizes of daisy sour cream. Then we have these little chicken. This is probably some sort of chicken stock of some sort. 2 packets here of Mexican spice blend. We have some tomato paste in a nice little package. 2 Roma tomatoes, a small red onion, 2 limes. This is surprising and unexpected. We have little kiwis. I'm guessing maybe you make like a little salsa type thing or something. Our poblano pepper. And what are tacos without the tortillas? So 2 packs of tortillas. This makes a lot, you guys. So that's this bag. All right, so let's dive into the crispy southern chicken cutlets. So we have our cutlets here. And then we have 2 bags of the panko breadcrumbs. We have some seasoning here. This is warm and smoky, southwestern spice blend. And then we have, again, these super cute little daisy sour cream packets. Another of the spice blend. We have 2 poblano peppers, a small onion, 2 small onions actually. We have a bunch of these cute little potatoes for the mash. We have 2 packets of our jack cheese, 2 packets of chili powder, and the last is some hot sauce. I may be cautious with this. I have 2 young children that don't like a lot of spice, so we'll be careful about the heat on this meal. Yes. Okay, so those were the bags of things that I got. I'm gonna just do a quick review. So my whole experience was pretty decent. I will say a couple cons that I've experienced in my whole ordering process. We ordered HelloFresh because my husband received a gift card from work that included a full family box. So that was a bonus. It was a little difficult for me to initially navigate the website to figure out where to actually use the gift card. So once I finally found it, super smooth process to order. Another con was when I went in, it showed the week of meals. There were several different options. There was no way that I could find to select the meals that I actually wanted. So that, I would say, was a con. Maybe I just didn't understand the website. I wasn't doing it from any kind of mobile device. I was on a physical computer placing my order. So that was a disadvantage. I did, however, figure out how I could go in and change my order. So that's how I selected the 3 meals that I received. So at least that was a bonus. You have up until, I think, 2 days before your order is to be shipped to make those changes. So that was okay. The only other thing that I didn't like so much was that I didn't get a notification email that my order actually shipped. So I had to go back into the account today to make sure that it was actually going out for delivery today. So that was the only other, con that I had. But overall, I really, really love these recipe cards. They're beautiful. The step-by-step that's on the back of them is really awesome. So I do love that. I love the super cute little portion sizes. Awesome. The fact that I don't have to think about what to make for dinner. I can just go grab the bag, pull it out. It's going to be ready to go. That is awesome. The only other thing that I thought was maybe kind of a disadvantage is the cost. I'm a family of 5, so to pay $107 for 3 meals seems a little bit pricey for me, but we might do it. I totally understand it. Somebody is personally packaging these items. They're delivered to me. I'm not going to the grocery store. There's shipping involved, so it outweighs the cost. I get it. Whether it's something we put into our weekly routine, maybe not, but I really do like this concept, so I'm probably going to give it another try. I'm going to check out those little things that they sent me as a bonus in terms of coupons and see what I think about them. So thank you so much for tuning in today. As always, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe, ring the bell if you want those notifications. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks, you guys.